left side, rain.
I'm better. I'm better than you. Love your next skin. Thanks. I got it from the battle pass. A few battle passes ago.
Oh, I hit her 90.
I'm a little stuck, homie.
Player standing.
Down.
Speaking of which, I'm gonna grab another Dr. Pepper, I think.
One down.
90 and Omen.
Last player
Jesus,
standing.
dude.
104.
I can't hit any shots. Dude, that's a solid joke. That guy gets VIP for that.
Never ends.
Normally people come into chat and they say something like literally it's their first message in chat. It's like, my penis is huge. And I'm like, cool, dude. And then I time him out. But this guy came in and he made this a wholesome, funny joke. So I, like, yeah, he gets VIP off that, dude. Be more like Magic Max, guys. Oh my god. Woman is blinded? Oh shit.
How is Jet alive?
Last player standing.
Going a little rough right now.
Yeah.
Did I blind the shit out of you?
Nah.
Actually, okay. I thought I did.
I think you blinded our Phoenix.
Ha, no shot. You were in front of him.
Oh, then. Okay. Then I guess he just baited me.
Last player standing.
Jesus, dude. I hit her 3 times. Rough day in my aim. I really wish I could be just one of those guys who, like, their aim is just always fucking crazy. Every time they turn around a corner, they just one-tap somebody. I don't know how people do it.
Yeah, Noted's pretty good at that.
You watch people and you're like, it doesn't even look hard for them.
It really doesn't. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I watch people play, and they're literally just, like, full, like, walking around, just nonchalantly, boop, boop, just headshotting people. I'm like, okay, buddy.
Nope.
Could he come gay to me, though?
Is that...
Fire in this hole! Satchel out. Here comes the party! Last player standing.
Evan.
You just hit
The
the
chances
Uno.
you wait on that.
this man.
One enemy remaining.
I almost got her. Oh, I did.
Good shit. Let's go. You know what the best feeling is? This happened a few rounds ago. But you know when, like, you get in a fight with somebody and you, like, just one-shot them immediately with a Vandal and you're like, fuck yeah. And then you walk up and you realize they had an operator. You're like, oh. That happened to me that Raze in tunnels. I just, like, binked her right away. And then I realized she had an op.
Get out of here, man. Shit. Flashing? One's in fence.
Kiddos, that was an example of playing the same angle every round and getting pre-fired. It looked like a nice shot, but it wasn't hard, really. She just played the same spot every single round. I'm scared.
I got you.
I have my ult. You want me to ult onto A site? I can do that. That sounds fun.
One's heaven. God damn, the fucking... Oh, and
Is that hell?
Man.
Oh, she's having again. What a loser.
Did I plant or just a wallbang, right? I am lost. Where the fuck am I? Okay.
Got me!
I'm better. Oh, I'm better than you.
Oh my god.
Bracelet 120.
Oh, let's go.
Jets on site. No operator. Might have a shotgun. Could have a judge. Yeah. Sometimes the reads come just a little bit too late. Raze is lit 120. He is winnable.
Look at this dude.
Not the play.
50 on Jet.
Last player standing.
Dude, that Molly play was literally inting. What are you doing? Your teammates are fighting.
My Molly?
No, the Viper.
Oh, I was like, huh?
You're literally fighting. The Viper starts firing those things into the fucking air, dude. Like, no, don't do this. Not like this. They peek this sometimes.
Fuck.
She's so bad. Oh my god.
Shadows traveling. Still just human.
Teabagger with me. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, we just like literally, let's just keep full swinging this Reyna until she stops playing on this fucking pillar, dude. It's literally every round. She just stands here. Like,
Enemy spotted B.
she's there again. Blinding it. Oh.
Oh my god!
Alarm bot out.
One enemy remaining.
Jesus Christ.
I'm having way too much fun in this game right
I didn't
now.
even get to see a guy after.
For the switch.
Switching positions is not
Getting
never.
fun, having fun, right?
Oh man.
Don't waste your firepower.
This fucking Reyna, dude. She's just standing on pillar every round. Like, you'd think after getting one tapped like 4 rounds in a row, she'd be like, maybe we should switch it up. Like,
That's the egos in this rank, man.
I don't know if it's an ego. I think she's just dumb.
She's big.
Holy fuck! I'm blind!
That's not Brandon. That's not Brandon.
Joke's over! You're dead!
One enemy remaining.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
He might be.
Oh my god.
Yup. Beat him up.
No! Thank you. Yeah, I'm having way too much fun in this game right now.
It's like, oh no.
Do you counter strike when you stop to shoot, or you let go of the movement key? I counter strike most of the time. You should practice it. I think it's faster. Also, it's just like it's good to keep you moving, because like it's hard to do the movement. You just like practice the counter strafing. You'll be a lot faster with your movement. No
yeah,
shot.
Enemy spotted B.
I'm gone.
One enemy remaining.
This is crazy.
Spike down.
She held?
B.
Nice.
Fuck you.
I didn't think she was already in her smoke, but
Player
I guess that makes sense.
standing.
These guys have no chill.
Long.
Oh my
I
god.
really don't.
That's okay. We save this round. We buy operators. We end game.
Hell yeah.
Do you have any tips on to run a good default, especially on Haven? My 5-stack plays a little passive and ends up running out of time. So generally when I think of like defaults, I think of like just taking good map control, like passively. So you'll place like smokes to grab you map control. As a team, you'll push up, use like Silva drones and stuff like that. There's a lot of things that you can do in a default, but most of the time your goal should be to take territory
Jesus
with
Christ.
it.
It's a
Because if you're just
fucking firing squad.
not doing anything with it, then it's like probably not gonna be a
Hold on,
very good
ramp.
default. I'm gonna blind elbow.
Last player
God.
standing.
Should I ult?
If you're feeling it.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, I should have ulted, dude.
Yeah.
I'm just
I
kidding.
didn't
You're
want them to
fine.
run at my body.
Oh man. For playing offense on Haven specifically, my team struggles most with it.
Guys are just
I would always
cage.
cage long.
Yeah.
That's how I would set up a default. I'd cage long, maybe smoke C long.
They just run.
Cage A long,
They
smoke
don't-
C
they don't
long.
care about the damage.
Maybe smoke A long or something. I don't know. Or I mean B, sorry. B mid. Do not. Oh my god. I hate Viper mains, dude. I guess he didn't really know where they were though. One could be close, careful.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Good shit. That should not have worked.
HP, baby.
That should not have worked at all.
Still understand the struggles of a normie non-pro player. I just can't fucking climb, dude. I don't know what it is. I'm really bad at this game sometimes. I like thinking about it. I like tactics and stuff, but I'm so bad at this game.
Fence?
All three vents. There's like 3 of them.
Dude, how many times am I gonna blind people and not gonna kill, bro?
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
15 seconds. She doesn't have
Spike
spike.
here.
Literally, you win. Just run away.
10 seconds left.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You're still peeking. Stop peeking. Really, stop. Stop what you're doing right now. Oh god.
Last player
Oh
standing.
shit.
On site. Kill 2 of them dead.
Reyna was mid. She's gonna come through vents. Careful. Oh, and there's one screens. Cool. Love this game, man. I'm trying so hard to focus on my teammates, just like who are doing stupid shit that I end up getting fucking peeked through a smoke.
I'm gonna win CT, I'm pretty sure.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
One enemy remaining.
Seems a little weird. How you hit that?
Let's go, dude. Good play.
You're crazy.
That flick from Omen was fucking nasty. Holy
Weird,
shit.
but yeah.
Upset about it.
Found them. Swarm grenade out.
They might push me.
I'll feed us in.
Heaven.
Nice, guys. Let's go.
Cover going out. Shadows traveling.
Fuck. Oh my god.
Killed her.
That's type as fuck.
One enemy remaining. Spike
She's
down.
She's out, blinding it. Nice, good shit.
Good game.
Defenders
boys.
win.
Out of my